What is up people, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Instagram reels is not showing. So how can you fix your Instagram reel? So let's begin our video. So first of all, if you open your Instagram and there have no option or there have not showing your Instagram reels, then what should you do? In this tutorial I'll show that. And you can see I open my Instagram and there have no option for Instagram reel. So what should you do? At first you need to go on your Play Store. After go on your Play Store, then search on Instagram. Search on Instagram and then you need to check your Instagram is updated or not. So guys, there you can see your Instagram is not updated. So make sure your Instagram is updated at first if your Instagram is not updated. So after doing that, then what should you do? You just need to go on your Instagram, then open it. Now you need to again check your Instagram reels is working or your Instagram reels is showing or not. If your reels is not showing, then go on profile, then click on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon, then tap on settings, then go on help at the last 3 option. Now there have a option report a problem first. Click it and then you can see report a problem. Then you can type reels option not showing. Just type reels option not showing, then submit it. Then not now. You already report a problem, and after that I hope before on day you can solve your problem. I hope you can understand, and I hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.